Hi, I'm Peter Haddock here outside Prague in the DEVELON demo days with my great friend STEPHANE Dieu. STEPHANE, we're back.
Yeah.
We've seen this dozer before,
Yeah.
we've seen it launched, now we've seen it working in anger as such, but there's a little difference because I've grabbed onto a pole here that says Leica Geosystems, and that refers to something new for this dozer, first time in the world that this has been put on a dozer right here today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a great news for us, a new collaboration with Leica. So Leica developed a plug-and-play system directly connected with our CAN bus. So their system will take the full control of our blade.
So that is you working with the team at Leica, the engineering team, to develop this whole system for you that you can fit in the factory and that can go out straight from the factory to the customer.
Exactly. So now the kit is defined, tested, is working fine. So I think that it will come few weeks before it will be totally commercialized, I would say.
Fantastic. And folks, we know that the first one of this is sold in the UK. I've actually seen a sneak peek of it, but we're going to go and see that on site, folks. But there's other changes that we've got to talk about. So come on round here, STEPHANE.
Okay.
Because when we talked about the dozer before, we pointed out all the sort of new things that were from a whole new machine. But now there's other things like tracks. So folks, 3 different types of tracks now, isn't there?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about them.
So we have one design for hard ground, mainly for south of Europe. So it will be 560 millimeter shoes, of course with a smaller blade. Yeah. And you have the standard for Europe, it's 710 millimeter shoes with a 3.3 meter blade. This is the one we sold in UK mainly, this is this version. And we have the widest one, the LGP one, will be with a 760 millimeter shoes with a 3.6 meter blade.
So the options are there for whatever people want to do within that space. Let's take a little look, folks, about how the system is set up, because one of the critical things about factory fitting, come over here with me, STEPHANE, is the neatness of the install of the system here. We see all the Leica different elements right down to the corner there of the system coming in. That means that all of that is widened at the factory, and that optimizes all of the factory process, doesn't it? And also that's critical for the warranty, isn't it?
Yes, so this is the pilot version, but thanks to the pilot version, the tests are successful. So now we will run it as a factory kit. Yes.
Fantastic. So folks, the big news here is factory fitted into the future with the machine control, new track options, which is great. And also, you know, we've got that whole feel around a new dozer that is now tried and tested and got a lot of hours on it, hasn't it? The one thing, folks, is to launch a dozer. The next thing is to have people buying it, STEPHANE, and the numbers have been really good, haven't they?
Yes. So we launched these machines 1 year ago, and the result is amazing. So we will take a really great market share that was, I will say, not expected from our side.
Yeah, so when there's a new model like this particular dozer where people need that productivity and reliability, you know, people have gone, and Phil follows with this. They've also taken it. We've got the first one in the UK coming through, which we'll go and see. But this is all added now with the Leica Geosystems 3D machine control, which really gives people the opportunity to say, right, I want a ready, 3D ready machine straight from the factory. Have they got it now?
Yeah, of course.
Great to see you.
Okay, thank you.